Hello, so good evening everyone. So welcome sa ating 30 days effective roadmap for passing agricultural licensure examination. So our topic is all about animal science. Module natin ngayon is poultry products and management. So magre-review tayo ngayon. It is all about poultry and management. So, okay, let's do this. So, question number one. So, what do you call the technique that employ in poultry houses wherein it force the chicken to change their feeder? In this process, the bird stop laying for a month in preparation for heavy egg production. So, ito po ang technique na ginagamit ng poultry houses wherein pinoforce nila yung chicken to change their feeder or pinoforce nila into molting. So, in this process, the bird stop laying after a month in preparation for heavier egg production para mas yung timbang ng egg ng isang layer is maging heavier. So, anong tawag? Forced molting, induced molting, advanced molting, artificial molting. So, ang tawag po is forced molting. So, how many kilos of feeds per year do laying hens usually consume? Ilang pong kilo ang isang laying hens sa isang taon? So, magkano po ba? So, ang tamang sagot is 37 to 40 kilos, 42 to 43 kilos, 53 to 54, 53 to 55 kilos per year, 56 to 57 kilos. Ang tamang sagot po is 40 to 42 kilos per year. So, ganun. Medyo parang isang sako ang nakakain ng isang manok layer sa isang taon. So, what is the part the oviduct wherein the white egg is secreted? So, the white egg secreted is panel in pandibulum, magnum, uterus. It is in the magnum po. White egg sinisecrete dyan, tinatawag dyan is albumin. Sa magnum po yan. So, what is feed is given to broiler from day old to 10 days of age? Broiler starter, grower mash, chick booster mash, broiler mash. So, anong tawag? Ang tawag po is chick booster. Chick booster po ang tawag. Which of the following lighting pattern is essential to prevent early sexual maturity of chicken? So, if kulang po kayo ng kulang at sobra po kayo ng light, may tendency po na early or late yung sexual maturity ng chicken. So, increase of constant, decrease or constant, increasing or constant, decreasing or constant, increasing and fluctuating, decreasing and fluctuating. So ano po, to prevent early maturing, essential. So, increasing or constant. So, dapat hindi bababa. Kasi if feeling nila tulog sila, yung body nila, magko-convert yan into early sexual maturity of the chicken. So, increasing of constant. So, what is the threshold temperature in holding eggs for incubation? What is the threshold temperature in holding egg for incubation? So, ano po? A, 20 degrees Celsius, B, 30 degrees Celsius, C, 25 degrees Celsius, D, 35 degrees Celsius. Ang tamang sagot po is 20 degrees Celsius. What is the top broiler production region in the Philippines? So, top producer broiler production region in the Philippines. It is Calabarzon, Ilocos region, Northern Mindanao, Central Luzon. It is Central Luzon. What is the part of the oviduct that determine the shape of the egg? So, saan po siya? Dito siya mag-i-store for cell, cell, pag secret ng cell para tumigas yung shell membrane niya, kailangan siya ng shell. So, saan po yan nangyayari? Panel, magnum, uterus, vagina. It is happen in the vagina po. What is the recommended range of age? Recommended range of age in 2 weeks for the duration of brooding. So, ilan po yung brooding? So, 1 to 3 weeks, 3 to 5 weeks, 7 to 10 weeks, 12 to 15 weeks. So, brooding po, it is recommended. It is recommended in 1 to 3 weeks. How many broiler production cycle can a poultry farm have given an average downtime in 2 weeks between 45 days and growing cycle? So, ilan po? Sa isang, anong tawag na to? Average downtime of 2 weeks between 45 days growing cycle. So, ilan? If may 2 weeks ka plus 45, 14 plus 45 equals 59. Divide mo ng so, tamang sagot po dito is 3. What type of feed given to a chicken after brooding up to 18 weeks of age? After 18 weeks of age, starter mash, grower mash, finishing mash, starter feeds. Tamang sagot is grower mash. What do you call the method of removing the comb in the chicken? So, spaying, combing, sleeping, dabbing. Ang tamang sagot po is dabbing. Tinatanggal po yung comb at saka wattle. Dabbing. How long do we grow a broiler to 1.6 kilos now 17 as compared to 1980s? So, ilang days po? So, 35 days, 45 days, 40 days, 50 days. So, ngayon, compared to 1980s, so in 2017, the average to get the 1.6 kilos, average days is 35 days. What is the limiting constraint why broiler cannot be extensively raised in rural areas? Disease and parasite, feeds, labor requirements, marketing and distribution, all of the above. Ang pinakamahirap talaga, bakit wala masyadong nagmi-mega farm ng poultry sa anong tawag nito, sa rural areas, because of the labor requirement. Napakamahal po ng labor requirement. Yan po ang pinaka-problema. The edible viscera of the bird comprising the heart, liver, and gizzard is termed as proventriculus, crab, giblets, entrail. So it is called giblets. The process of providing outside heat to the young poultry to maintain their body temperature is brooding, heating, incubation, molting. It is called brooding. Brooding po yan. What do you call the male breeding chicken? It is called cock, rooster, hen, capon. So it is cock. Which of the following is a native chicken found in Visayas, which is found famous for its taste? So found in Visayas? Bulinaw, Paraucan, Camarines, Darag. So ang native chicken na makikita sa Visayas, which is famous for its taste, is Darag. What is the largest poultry species? So, poultry species is ostrich. What is the most recent addition to the commercial strain of free-range chicken in the Philippines. So, Kabir, Sunshine, Saso, Soy Raya. So, baka ngayon meron ng mga commercial strain free-range. So, paki-research na lang. Pero, during this time, 2020, I think it is Sunshine. So, baka ngayon, 2023, may mga bago na ulit na mga free-range breed na chicken na na-release sa Philippines. Which of the following is best indication of a good layer? Which of the following is best indication of a good layer? Early molters, intermediate molters, late molters, all of the above. So, anong tawag? Ang tamang sagot is late molters because if early molters, if every molt kasi bumababa yung production ng chicken. Kaya pinaka-best is yung late molter sila para yung ma-utilize natin yung time para makapag-itlog sila. The smallest poultry species is bantam, quail, pigeon, bantam. So, ang tamang sagot is quail. Pinakamaliit na poultry species. As a farmer, what is your primary consideration when setting up broiler farm? So, as a farmer, ano pong tinitingnan natin if setting up the consideration of setting up a broiler farm? Capital, labor, market, farm location. So, ang pinaka-importante pa rin is labor. Dapat meron kayong adequate labor and hindi kayo mawawala ng labor kasi napaka-laborious po ng broiler farm at saka egg farm. So, the term used to refer to the area between pubic bone and keel bone. Anong ang tawag niyan? Pubic bone, yung dalawa, tapos keel bone. So, anong tawag? So, breast, abdomen, dorsal, front. It is a abdomen. Abdomen po ang tawag niyan. So, what type of roofing is recommended to provide an outlet for gases produced inside the building? Gable type, semi-monitor, shade type monitor. It is monitor type. In raising 200 broiler in a letter floor, how many feed through of 1 meter length both side can be required? That feeding space is 4 cm per bird. So, ito is lumabas to. So, sa isang 1 meter, ilan po yung magagawa natin? If merong 4 cm per bird, so, So, 1 meter, divide mo po ng 4. So, anong the feeding space requirement? So, ang tamang sagot po dito is 4. What is the meat type commonly grown up to 35 to 42 days, weighing 1.5 to 2 kilos live weight? So, ano yan? 45. So, tinatawag itong meat type nga. Tinatawag itong broiler. So, how much is the amount of feed consumed by a broiler within a body of 1.6? The feed conversion ratio is 1.7. So, ang tinatanong, if ilan po ang feed weight niya is 1.6, tapos yung feed conversion niya is 1.70. So, ang tamang sagot is, i-multiply nyo lang po yung dalawa. 1.6 times 1.7 equals 2.72 kilogram. So, meaning, kinakailangan mo ng 2.72 kilogram to get the 1.6 kilogram. So, what is recommended feed efficiency in broiler? Feed efficiency is 1.0 to 1.5, 2.0 to 2.5, 3.0 to 3.5, 4.0 to 4.5. Ang tamang sagot po is feed efficiency is in broiler is 2.0 to 2.5. A measure of quality of eggs utilizing information of egg and albumin height, egg weight and albumin height. So anong pong tawag? Animal unit, egg unit, huge unit, poultry unit. Ito po ang measurement ng egg quality of the egg utilizing the information of egg weight and albumin height. It is huge unit. What is the weight in grass per ounce standard size of chicken egg? So, weight of grams standard size of chicken egg. So, chicken egg is medium. So, ilan? 45, 58, 62, 87. So, it is So, standard or medium to large ganon is 58 grams. The standard classification of poultry based on the body shape and size, tinatawag siyang this is the standard classification of poultry based on the body shape and size. Breed, variety, class, type. Tamang sagot po is variety. Part of the oviduct that determine the shape of an egg is shape of an egg is found in panel, infundibulum, uterus. Ito, uterus, infundibulum, panel. Same lang po yan. So, nagdedetermine ng kasi hindi po nagdedetermine dito po na nangyayari ang site of fertilization. So, ang shape dito is kung gaano karami ang magnum or hindi magnum, kung gaano karami ang egg white or so, ang tamang sagot po dito is magnum. Important light management for chicken layer is never blank the light exposed during laying period. Never increase, decrease, maintain, delay. So, it is never decrease. Huwag mong ipababa ang light exposure during laying period. Because, activity? If nakikita nila may lights, so anong ibig sabihin? Active po sila. So, anytime gusto nila, active yung katawan niya, kahit gabi, makita nila, kumakain sila. Ganun. So, what part of the oviduct where egg white albumin is secreted? What part of the oviduct it is found in? Magnum. So, it is the organ in the chicken that produce oil for cleaning and making their fuzzy, glossy, and shiny. So, anong tawag niyan? Preen glands, sebaceous glands, pineal gland, gonads. Di ba sa isaw, di ba may parang anong tawag nun? Parang maliit na na cup doon sa isaw niya, hindi sa isaw, sa ipot, yung parang nose. So, ang tawag dyan is preen gland. Why in that we only grow broiler up to the average of 1.6 kg per bird in the Philippines? Consumers demand for environment condition, for genetics, high disease incidence. So, it is a consumer's demand kasi ayaw po ng mga Pilipino na more than 1 kilo because standard po natin, yung kaya nating bilhin is 1 kilo kasi wala masyadong commercial at saka yung targeting niyan is individual family. So, what is the most efficient form of broiler housing in the Philippines? Most efficient, tunnel ventilation, open-sided house, free-range, multi-tier. So, the most efficient form of broiler house in the Philippines? Efficient means maraming gumagamit, marami kahit parang buong bansa, yan yung ginagamit. So, it is open-sided house. So, yung walang bubong sa gilid-gilid, open air lang. So, ang tawag dyan is open-sided house. So, number 39. The following are the steps taken to avoid cannibalism in poultry production. Except, so anong tawag? So, if there is a ringleader or a persistent picker, remove it from the stock. Tama. Isolate the wounded until the wounds heal. Tama. Do not give food and water to the cockerel for 24 hours. Give the chicken plenty of fresh or green and leafy foods. So, tama. Kasi, pagpakainin mo, anong tendency nila? So, hindi na sila magpipik kasi busog sila. So, itong ang except, do not give food or water to the cockerel for 24 hours. Dapat po lagyan. What is the secondary reproductive organ in a female chicken? Secondary reproductive organ in a female. Ovary, oviduct, uterus, vagina. Secondary reproductive organ, it is the oviduct. The primary reproductive organ of the male is penis, ampulla, testicle, vas deferens. It is the testicle. Male chicken less than 1 year of age. Male chicken less than 1 year of age. Cockerel, chicklet's chicken. It is called cockerel. The most popular meat type of breed of chicken noted for the rounded breast is Cornish, Ancona, Minorca, Leghorn. Leghorn, Minorca, Ancona. This is an egg type chicken. Ancona, Minorca, Leghorn is egg type. To, ang Cornish lang po ang hindi. So, it is a meat type Cornish. What measure will improve feed conversion efficiency? What measure will improve feed conversion efficiency? Tunnel ventilation, increasing stacking density, decrease downtime, increase light intensity. So, ano po sa palagay to improve the feed efficiency, conversion efficiency? Tunnel ventilation. So, ipatatunnel mo ba? Hindi rin, sobrang gastos. Increase stock density. So, lagyan mo ng stock. Example, 100 lang to. I-increase mo into 150. Yun ba? Hindi, decrease downtime. Example, yung downtime mo pahinga ng building mo is 2 weeks. Ni-reduce mo into 1 week. Yun ba? So, increase light intensity. The true dito po is increase light intensity. So, papataas mo yun, yung light intensity at saka length of the light so that yung makikita nila para silang active because may lights parang morning because lights give us energy. So yan po. Parang active sila. So what are the dual purpose breed? What are the dual purpose breed? Rhode Island Red, Plymouth Rock, New Hampshire Rock. So it is all of the above. Tama naman. Which chicken disease is caused by a virus with no known treatment? Avian malaria, Newcastle disease, Merex disease, coccidiosis. So, a disease or caused by virus with no known treatment is Newcastle disease. Yung pukhaw para mamamatay sila agad because affected ang brain. The book published by American Poultry Association which contain guide for standard classification of poultry. So, anong tawag niyan? Standard of poultry species, economic poultry species, standard of perfection, index of poultry species. So, it is called standard of perfection. So, nandun po ang lahat ng mga breeds sa American breeds. So, before ka mag-register, so, dun nakalagay po yung characteristic at saka yung buong characteristics ng yung manok or breed. What do you call a female chicken that less than 1 year old? It is called brood, pallet, hen down. It is pallet. Which of the following is not qualitative trait of poultry? Egg production, type of count, skin, color of earlobe. So, ang hindi po qualitative dito is the egg production kasi quantitative ito is ilang egg niya per year. So, ganun. Parang quantitative na yan. What type of poultry house is being recommended to mitigate the adverse effect of climate change? So, ano pong ginagamit? So, tunnel ventilated house, open-sided house, slat floor house, litter floor house. So, it is called tunnel ventilated house to prevent the adverse effect of climate change. So, what is the causal organism of disease coccidiosis? Escherichia Dithyocaulus spp. So, Monis species. D. Eimeria species. So, anong tamang sagot po? Ang tamang sagot po dito is Eimeria spp. So, okay. So, what is the approximate number of hours for the development of an egg? So, ilang length niya po in terms in hours? So, 15 to 17 hours, 18.5 to 23 hours, 24.5 to 25 hours, 27.5 to 30 hours. So, ano pong tamang sagot? So, ang egg po is minsan shorten, minsan din long din yung length ng pag-act of laying egg niya. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is we have the average 27.5 hours to 30 hours. So, yan po ang tamang sagot, letter D. So, the following are advantages of free range of system of poultry raising except. So, ano po ang advantage ng free range of system of poultry? So, yung question po dito is except. So, exercise in open air keep the chicken healthy. So, tama. Little or no labor inputs is needed. Tama rin. Parasitic infection cannot be kept to a minimum. So, the direct cost of system is low. So, ano pong tama? This type is tama naman sila lahat, pero meron talagang except. Ito, parasitic infection cannot be kept to minimum. So, meron po tayong mga gamot para sa parasitic infection. So, ang dami po. We have the ivermectin, pindazole. So, daming mga brand. So, Bastonero, we have mga water-soluble antelmintic ang tawag dyan. So, antelmintic para na pampatay ng parasitic. So, ang except po dito is letter C. Parasitic infection cannot be kept to a minimum. So, false po yan. So, kaya po yan makontrol. So, what is the recommended range of temperature for forced drop type incubator? So, ilan po yung recommended rate of temperature for forced drop type of incubator? 99 to 100 Fahrenheit, 50 to 55 Fahrenheit, 105 to 106 Fahrenheit, 75 to 76 Fahrenheit. Ano pong tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot po is 99 to 100 Fahrenheit. Letter A. So, what part of the oviduct where the developing eggs stay for more than 20 hours? So, what part of the oviduct? So, saan po siya? So, napakatagal po dito. Mangyayari po yung addition o tinatawag natin na egg white. So, saan po yan nangyayari? Sa panel, magnum, infundibulum, uterus. So, ang tamang sagot po is magnum. So, number 56. So, what is the most practical way in feeding broilers? What is the most practical way in feeding broilers? Broiler po is either backyard or commercial. So, ito po yung mga 45 to 35 days natin na chicken. So, ano bang pinaka-practical way? Ad libitum, skip a day, restricted feeding, so pace feeding. So, ang target natin is as soon as possible, ma-harvest natin siya within 1 kilogram. So, dress na po yan. So, anong tamang sagot? Dapat, we have the management of ad libitum, meaning unlimited ad libitum. So, what hormone is secreted by the testis? So, what hormone is secreted by the testis? Norepinephrine, calcitonin, testosterone, estrogen. Ang tamang sagot po is testosterone. Egg come from the mated flock is termed as. So, egg coming from mated flock is termed as hatching egg, table egg, bakot, clutches. Ang clutches po, ang tawag po siya sa isang group ng egg na i-incubate. Ang tawag po yan is clutches. So, bakot, di ko alam. So, ang tamang sagot po dyan is mated flock, meaning merong fertilization occur. So, ang tawag dyan is hatching egg. Itong table egg na to is RTL po yan. Yan yung product ng RTL natin. Or tinatawag na ready to lay egg. So, nagpi-feeding ka lang. So, automatic na mag-iitlog sila. So, ang tamang sagot number 58 is letter A, hatching egg. What is responsible for ovulation in chicken? So, what is responsible for ovulation of chicken? So, ano po yung ovulation ng chicken? A, androgen. B, luteinizing hormone. C, estrogen. D, follicle stimulating hormone. Ang tamang sagot po is luteinizing hormone. So, this is responsible for ovulation po. So, egg coming from the non-mated flock. Egg coming from non-mated flock. So, anong tawag po? Non-mated, no fertilization occur. So, anong tawag? Hatching egg, table egg, balot, or clutches. Balot po, ito po yung 18 days or 16 days na kinakain or paborito ng mga delicacy ng Pilipino. So, ang tawag dyan, non-mated is table egg. Ito po yung mga white na nandyan po binibinta sa market. So, tawag dyan, table egg. What is or part of oviduct where cuticle or bloom is secreted? Cuticle or bloom is secreted. Ito po yung, di ba, actually, paglabas ng egg sa ari ng manok, di ba, may cuticle pa yan. Pag bagong fresh pa, parang basa siya. So, ang tawag yan is cuticle or bloom. So, saan po yan nangyayari? Sa panel, magnum, infundibulum, vagina. So, it is found in vagina po. So, what hormone is responsible for the growth and maturation of the follicle in the chicken? Follicle in the chicken. So, meaning, yung mga egg niya is magmamatured na. So, sino responsible dyan? So, androgen, AH, estrogen, or FSH. F po to F, hindi po yan S. F. So, FSH or follicle stimulating hormone. So, ang responsible dyan is, sino responsible dyan? Ang responsible dyan is, follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. Number 63. Broiler can be raised any time of the year. For about blank per year. If duration of the cycle is 38 days, cleaning is 3 days, and selling of 14 days, and the check order of 7 days. So, ito po, always po to lumalabas sa exam. Lalo na kapag, because it is, this type of question is, situational. So, yung duration daw is may 38 days ka sa growing period. Plus cleaning and selling of chick and order. 3 days cleaning plus 14 days for selling. Plus meron kang 7 days to order the chicken. So all in all is 62. So i-divide po yan natin ng 365. 365 divide 62 is ilan? So meron tayong sagot na 5.8. Or, so wala sa, per batch po, wala po yung mga 8. Dapat yan is whole number. So, 5.8 siya, hindi na, kasi pag ganito, walang round off. So, you have 5 cycle lang po, or 5 batches. So, ang tamang sagot po is 5 batches. What is the preferred shape of eggs for setting in commercial incubator? So, po, oblong, ovoid, spheroids, convex. So, ang tawag po dyan is ovoid. Dapat ovoid siya, hindi oblong, ovoid. So, which of the following statement is or are correct regarding the incubation period of poultry species? So, ano, chicken hatches in 21 days, quail hatches in 18 days, mallard duck, uh, eggs hatches at 35 days. So, all of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is all of the above. What is the optimum range of temperature to be provided to a young adult during the first week of brooding? So, ano po, ilan pong Fahrenheit? 95 Fahrenheit? 50 Fahrenheit? So, 57 Fahrenheit, 95 Fahrenheit, 115 Fahrenheit. Ang tamang sagot po is 95 Fahrenheit. So, what is the number of pores in shell of an average size chicken eggs? So, yung egg po, yung table egg, mayroon po yung mga pores. So, what is the average number of pores per shell ng average size of egg? 5,000, 8,000, 10,000, 1,000. Ang tamang sagot po is 8,000. What hormone is secreted by the ovary? So, ovary. Ito po sa ovary. Norepinephrine, calcitonin, testosterone, estrogen. Ovary po is a part of female organ. It is estrogen po yung sinisikret. In poultry reproduction, what organ or function to increase sperm motility and sperm fertilizing capacity? So, ano po yung ulitin mo na to yung question. In poultry reproduction, what organ function is to increase the sperm motility and sperm fertilizing capacity? So, ano siya? Anong tawag? So, testis, epididymis, ureter, vas deferens. Ang tawang sagot po dito is epididymis. What is the recommended range of temperature for still air incubator? Ano po yung still air incubator? So, 50 to 78 Fahrenheit, 101 to 103 Fahrenheit, 10 to 20 Fahrenheit, 150 Fahrenheit. So, basta incubator po, hindi po yan bababa sa, mag-range po yan ng incubator is to 99 to 100 Fahrenheit. Ganyan talaga kanina. So, if still air incubator to, ano to? So, tanggal na po tong 50 to 78. Tanggal na rin tong 10 to 20. So, meron na lang itong 50 chance of winning. So, we have 101 to 103 Fahrenheit or to 150. Yung 150 po, is sobrang mainit na po to. So, kaya we need accurate and precise answer. It is 101 to 103 Fahrenheit. So, what is the other term used to prepare the Philippine mallard duck? So, ano pong tawag sa Philippine mallard duck? Pampanga duck, Victoria duck, Malabon duck, Pateros duck. So, ang tamang sagot po is Pateros duck. Pateros duck. So, 100 laying chicken consumes about 100 laying chicken consumes about ilang kilo? So, sa isang cycle, 40 kilos, di ba, yung sa isang taon, sa isang manok. So, i-divide po yan natin ng 365. So, we have 0.109 kilogram. So, i-times natin to ng 100. We have 110 kilograms of feeds consumed about 110. 110 po ang tamang sagot. The term used refer to the transfer of pellets from growing house to the laying pen or cage. So, ano pong tawag yan? Housing, brooding, incubating, hatching. Hatching hindi, incubating hindi rin brooding. It is housing po, housing transfer. Ang brooding kasi, yung mga sisiyo, lalagyan natin sila ng artificial heat. Yun, kasi, yun. Ang incubation po, dun ka sa incubator. Din yung pag malapit na yung yung egg mo mag-hatch, yung egg i-deliver doon sa hatching area. So, ganun po. So, number 75. At the age of 30 to 35 years, the American quail will most likely wait 30 to 35. Bakit? Hindi po to years. 30 to 35. 30 to 35. American quail will most likely wait. So, ilan? So, 200 grams ang tamang sagot. 200 grams. Ang ibig sabihin po dito, hindi po to 30 to 35 days. Days po ito, hindi po to years. So, so 30 to 35 days, the American quail most likely wait. Into 200 grams. 200 grams. So, incubated duck's egg, 16 to 18 days embryo will cook at and eaten with dash of salt. It is balot po, balot. Egg whose embryo died before the first candling is called. Ano pong tawag niyan? First candling is in 7 days po. 7 days po ang first candling. So, ang tawag dyan is A1, B1, C1, D1. Ang tawag po is D1. Male chicken whose testes had been completely removed surgical is termed as kapon. Kapon po, kapon. Kapon. So, egg embryo died before the second candling. So, kailan po ang second candling? Second candling is around 15 days. Is termed as 15 to 14 days. So, itos, sitos, dito. So, anong tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot po is dito, dito. So, what is the smallest classification of egg of chicken? So, it is termed as small, extra small, peewee point. Ang tawag dyan is peewee, peewee. Term used to refer the social hierarchy in chicken. So, ano po yung social hierarchy ng chicken? Ang tawag po dyan is social order, pecking order, poultry order, chicken order. Ang tamang sagot po is pecking order. The process of detecting fertility and shell condition of an egg by holding it against a bright light. So, tinitingnan po, meron po tayong tinatawag na box. May ilaw po siya yan. Doon ka sa madilim na lugar. So, yung ilaw doon at may egg ka, iganon sa light, makita natin kung fertile ba yung, or buhay ba yung egg. Ang tawag dyan is candling, candling. Si Dr. Francisco Fronda is considered as the father of poultry science in the Philippines. Who is the father of Thai poultry industry? So, sino po? So, Valentino Argonosa, Dr. Sinawat Singh Mata, Rapatong Bimansitanipon, Dr. Francisco Fronda. So, sino po? Father of Thai poultry industry. Siya po si same pa rin, Dr. Francisco Fronda. So, it is the special form of purpose of which an animal is to be used or defined. Anong tawag? Special form or purpose. Meron po siyang isang special example. Chicken, game farm. Diyan lang talaga siya. So, anong tawag niyan? So, variety, breed, type, or strain. It is called type. Kasi example, meat type, egg type, yun, may special purpose siya. Ang tawag dyan is type. So, it is place where young chick or ducklings are cared for after hatching until they have grown to the point where they are no longer needed additional heat. Ang tawag po dyan is brooder. It is the total number of fertile eggs divide by the total number of egg set times 100. So, it is, ang tawag dyan is, fertile egg divide mo sa total number of egg set. Example, 100 yung nilagay mong egg. Tapos, yung total number of fertile is nasa 90 lang. So, 90 divide 100 times natin sa 100%, it is percentage of fertility. Ayang domestic while in a downy stage. So, yang, anong tawag yang? So, downy stage, chick, chickelet, cockerel, poult. It is called chick. Where is the site of pancreas juice production in poultry? Saan po yung crop, duodenum, proventriculus, ceca? It is in duodenum, pancreas juice, duodenum. So, it is group of lay egg for successive days. Ang tawag dyan is clutches. The total number of chick hatch divided by the total number of fertile egg times 100. Meron na tayong fertile egg. Meron na tayong total hatch. So, anong tawag dyan? Hatching recovery, morbidity rate, percent fertility, or hatchability. Ang tawag dyan is hatchability. So, the size of fertilization in poultry is found in magnum, uterus, vagina, infundibulum. It is found in the site of fertilizations. So, in poultry, it is found in the uterus. So, minsan may sagot po dito, uterus or infundibulum. So, kasi dalawa po yung para sa akin, ang pinakatamang sagot talaga dito is infundibulum. Dyan, or site of fertilization. After sila ma-fertilize, magta-travel sila papuntang uterus. Okay, so number 92. A type of feed given to chicken after brooding up to 18 weeks of age. It is called starting mash, grower mash, breeding mash, starter mash. Ang tawag dyan is grower mash. In poultry, the rose, strawberry, pea, and buttercup are variety of, comb yan, comb. Yan po yan, yung dito, ng chicken. Rose, strawberry, pea, and buttercup is a type of comb. So, the total number of chicks hatched divided by the total number of eggs set. So, ano pong tawag niyan? So, times 100, it is percent hatch, percent morbidity rate, percent fertility. D is hatchability. It is called percent hatch. Ito kasing morbidity rate is, example, in a total layer production, 100, mayroon nagsakit, 10, sinipon, so in-isolate nyo. So, ang tawag niyan is morbidity, counted as morbidity. Yung hindi siya patay, pero nandyan pa siya, counted as merong morbid, o may sakit, ganun, or ina-isolate. So, ang tawag dyan. Yan yung morbid. Ang tamang sagot dito, 94 is percent hatch. 95. How many feedings a day are sufficient for duckling over 2 years old? So, 3 to 4 feedings, 2 to 3 feedings, 3 to 4 feedings, 4 to 5 feedings, 5 to 6 feedings. Ang tamang sagot po is 4 to 5 feedings. Letter C. 2 years na duck. So, what is the primary reproductive organ of male chicken? Penis, testicle, testis, ampulla. So, primary organ of the male chicken is testicle. The dairy requirement of 100 broiler chick can be provided using the drinking fountain with the capacity of ilan po? Ano po yung capacity ng 100 broiler? 1 gallon, 3,780 cc, 3.78 liters. So, all of the above. Ang tamang sagot po is all of the above. Kasi yung 1 gallon is 3.78 liters po yan. Sometimes nilalagay nila na 4 liters pero hindi po siya nakaabot ng isang 4 liters, so 3.78 liters. Yung cc po is equivalent to times of 1,000. So 3.78 times mo ng 1,000 ml or cc, kaya nga 3,780 cc. So ang tamang sagot po dito is all of the above. What is the top layer production region in the Philippines? So yung top producer region in the Philippines, sino? Central Visayas, Northern Mindanao, Central Luzon, Calabarzon. So it is found in Calabarzon kasi Cavite, Laguna, yan, Batangas, Rizal, Quezon, Calabarzon. So which of the following is the best way to prevent or remedy the laying of soft eggs? So minsan ito pag yung feeds mo is medyo mahina sa calcium, kaya merong mga gantong mga event na soft shell. So instead na profit na yon, bababa yung profit mo kasi nag-soft shell siya. So given additional lighting, move hen to clean house, crush eggshell to feed ration, give the bird medication either erythromycin or oxytetracycline. So ang ito po, oxytetracycline, erythromycin. So hindi po yan, move to clean house. Kahit ilipat mo yan sa clean house, hindi rin. So give additional lighting, so hindi kung mag-add ka ba. So soft shell can be prevented by add crush of eggshell to the feed ration. May mga crush or mga eggshell ka na mga nabasag, i-crush mo yon, ilagay mo sa feed mo, at babalik yung dating production nila na makapal yung shell. So ang tamang sagot is add crush eggshell to feed ration. So 100. So the young duck family in a downy stage of plumage. So anong tawag? Drake, Shove, duckling, baby duck. So ang tawag is duckling. Hello, so we are number 101. So approximately how many weeks does the brooding period usually last in poultry? So ilang weeks po yung brooding area. If may brooding management kayo, so ilang weeks po siya? So A, 2 weeks, B, 4 weeks, C, 6 weeks, D, 8 weeks. So approximately po, ilan po mag-last yung brooding? It is in 4 weeks, 4 weeks. So 4 na weeks siya. So chicken race for egg production, tinatawag po yan na layers. So the process where the fully developed embryo break out the eggs is tinatawag yan na ovulation, hatching, oviposition, brooding. Ang tawag po dyan is hatching. This refers to the live embryo at 18 days of maturity. Ano po yung 18? Yan po yung last candling. Ano pong tawag niyan? Yung candling natin we have started in 7 days, 14 to 15, at saka yung last is 18 days of maturation. So anong tawag niyan? Pips, D2, I, or D1. Ang tawag po dyan is pips. So which breed of chicken is highly reputed as producer of large white eggs? So ano po yung producer of large white egg? So malaki, hindi madami. So large white eggs. So Hamburg, Ancona, Leghorn, Minorca. Large or marami. So anong tawag? Diba? Usually yung mga breed po natin ng layer. So saan po yan kinukuha? It is from white Leghorn. So it is the process of determining the sex at hatching using the feather color or structure. It is called autosexing, candling, brooding, and ovulation. Anong tawag po? Ang tawag po dyan is autosexing. So pag pantay, ang tawag dyan is male. Pag hindi pantay is female. So if hawakan natin yung feet ng chick, if mag-stay siya, calm lang, is male. Pag lumalaban siya, umaangat siya is female. Yan po, yun sa autosexing. So, okay. So, number 8 refers to the poultry producer who are engaged in almost poultry enterprise. Ano po ang tawag dyan? Livestock handler, capitalist, integrator, contract growers. So, ano pong pinaka best term tawag sa kanila na nag-engage lang sila ng poultry refers sa poultry producer who engage in almost poultry enterprise. Tinatawag po yan na integrator. So, if shape, no, hindi shoe, if shape is relatively, it show, it show the relative shape of the egg by dividing the width over the length times 100. So, ano po, yung shape ng egg. So, anong tawag dyan? Shape index, shape percentage, shape ratio, or shape portion. Ang tawag po dyan is shape index. It is the number or volume of chicken sold per marketed basis on the number of day-old chick raised. So, ano po yan? Marketing recovery, percent purchase, harvest recovery, percent harvest. So, yung number of volume of chick sold or marketed based on the number of day-old chick raised. So, it is termed as harvest recovery. Yung example, 10,000 yung day-old chick mo. Then, after yung mga 700 na lang yung na-dispose mo in total. So, ang tawag yan, ang equal yan or total is harvest recovery. What disease is commonly observed on brooding po to, hindi blooding. Brooding moist litter or wet litter caused by broiler pneumonia. Yung brooding area natin is moist, mabasa-basa siya. So, causing broiler pneumonia. So, anong tawag yan? Coccidiosis, aspergillosis, avian pasteurellosis, mycoplasmosis. So, ang tawag niyan is causing broiler pneumonia kasi may mga fungus doon tumutubo sa moist sa litter, tinatawag na aspergillosis. So in poultry, the part of the oviduct where the sperm nest is located. So dyan po naging yung after ng sexual intercourse, so doon mag-i-stay yung sperm. Saan? Sa panel, magnum, uterus, oviduct. It is in the panel. What do you call the ability of the young duckling to imitate the way their mother walks? So, anong tawag niyan? Adapting, mimicking, imprinting, disguising. So, ano po, ang pinaka-correct po dyan na term is imprinting. Kasi sa mga duck is naka-imprint sila. Tinitingnan nila yung kanilang parents. Imprinting po yan. Hindi po yung mimicking. Imprinting means lifetime na siya. Hindi na siya mawala. Mimicking is panandalian lang. Adapting is hindi rin. Inadapt lang. Minsan din hindi na siya ma-adapt. So, ganun. Ang pinag-usapan dito is the way to imitate their mother's duck walks is imprinting po ang tamang sagot. What do you call the small chicken usually weight 16 to 30 ounces as an adult? Ano pong chicken ha? Baka meron tayo, malito tayo. Chicken, quail, bantam, pheasant, and peafowl. So, it is talking about small chicken. Kasi, iniisip natin, ay quail. Akala natin yung question is poultry. Hindi, ang question is chicken. So, ang tamang sagot is bantam. Arbor acre is locally known as Loman, Rose, Magnolia, Hubbard. Hubbard is a brown color. Rose, hindi natin alam. Loman is layer. So, ang tamang sagot dito, arbor-acre, is tinatawag na magnolia. In poultry, what is the part of the digestive system where digestion is completed? So, saan po makikita yung in poultry part? So, sa digestive system niya, yung digestion is completed na. So, saan natin makikita? It is in small intestine, large intestine, stomach, liver. It is in the small intestine. So, the group of geese is called, anong tawag ng group of geese? Sa poultry or sa chicken, tinatawag yan na flock, parliament, gaggle, brood, covey. Sa group of geese, tinatawag yan na gaggle. So, what are the two blind pouches located between the small and large intestine? So, two blind pouches. So, located in the large intestine. So, may, di ba sa intestine natin may dalawang ganun, anus, tapos meron siyang dalawang pouches. Ano yan? Tinatawag na sika. Vent, cloaca, gizzard. It is called sika. If isa lang is cecum. So, the commercial duck hatchery, when is sex determination of duckling done? So, kailan po natin isi-sex? Example, yung itik natin or BB. So, kailan tayo, during incubation, kailan tayo mag-sex? 1 or 2 days. 1 or 2 days, 2 or 3 days, 3 or 4 days, 4 to 5 days. So, it is in straight run or day-old chick, 1 or 2 days. It is a period where embryonic development takes place out of the hen. Embryonic development. Anong tinatawag niyan? Takes place out of hen. Incubation, brooding, oviposition, hatching. So, it is called embryonic development. Madidevelop yung egg niya kasi we're talking about hen. So, anong process to is incubation. To develop the embryonic para mabuhay yung egg. Incubation. So, this refers to the fowl. Feeders of the fowl is termed as, anong tawag? Pallet, plumage, wattle, kill. It is called plumage. Feeder of the fowl. So, standard classification based on the body shape and size. Ano nga yung body shape and size? It is breed, variety, strain, line or strain. It is called body shape and size. Always remember, it is a breed. So, it is the period where prior to the laying of the first egg. So, it is period where prior laying of the first egg. So, anong tawag niyan? In the first, mag-lay na po siya. So, nesting period, gestation period, point of lay, roosting time. So, it is called point of lay. So, the shedding of feather is called, anong tinatawag yan? Molting, brooding, ecdysis, or metamorphosis. So, tinatawag yan na molting. Pwede rin tawagin na ecdysis. Kasi yung molting at ecdysis, same lang yan. So, what is an unsexed male? Pero, kung titingnan natin, molting yung tamang sagot. So, doon na lang tayo sa medyo alam natin yung word. So, ecdysis kasi, same lang yan sa molting. So, what is the unsexed male chicken usually under 8 months of age? So, unsexed, meaning tinanggalan ng testicles. So, anong tawag? Cockerel, rooster, capon. It is called capon, caponization. The process. What is the commercial strain of layer is best for egg production? New Hampshire is New Hampshire. Uh, Dual purpose type po to. Malalaki. Then White Leghorn is layer. Plymouth Rock is dual purpose type. Cornish is same do either ang Cornish pwede meat type, pwede dual purpose type. So ang commercial strain ng layer lang dito is White Leghorn. So the classification based on the plumage color and pattern. So anong tawag niyan? Color and pattern. Breed line, variety, strain. Kanina, body shape and size, it is breed. Ngayon is color of the plumage and pattern, it is a variety. So what is the male goose? Anong tinatawag? Gander, Drake, Tommy, Kobe. It is called gander. What is the castrated male chicken called? Cockerel, rooster, capon. Castrated is capon. What is the part of the poultry reproductive system that produce female germ cell and the yolk of the egg is called? So, saan po yan nakikita? So, yung female germ cell, di ba, if magkatay tayo ng inahing na chicken, meron yung silang mga eggs, color yellow, yun. So, it is the yolk. So, dyan po pinoproduce ang yolk. Saan yan? Saan yan po? So, it is found in the ovary. So, what is the young goose called? So, anong tawag? Ryan, Tommy, Gosling, Drew. It is called gosling. The starter ration for market chicken should contain at least what percent protein? So, starter. So, 8%, 50%, 22%, 1%. So, yung crude protein po na to at starter, magre-range lang siya sa either 20 to 24 or 20 to 20. Depende po yan sa ginagamit na ration. So, yan po yung starter natin. So, what part of the poultry reproductive system produce the white shell membrane and shell of the egg? It is found in the oviduct, infundibulum, vagina, horn of the uterus. So, wala pong horn of the uterus. It is in the vagina. Oviduct. Mali. It is in the oviduct. So, another term for overgrown broiler. Kasi mayroon tayong standard na 1 kilo per dish. So, it ranging 1.5 kilos or 1.3 kilos because we have the dressing percentage sa chicken is 70%. So, if overgrown siya, more than 2 kilos siya, so anong tawag? Raiser, 6 broiler, prior, opulent. Anong tawag niyan? It is called prior. A young turkey is called Turks, Tommy, Poult, Drake. It is called Poult. What pigment is responsible in the yellow color of the yolk? So, ano yan? So, terpenes, steroids, carotenoids, xanthin. So, terpenes, steroid, carotenoids, xanthin. It is responsible dyan is carotenoids. What is the tube-like fleshy growth near the front of the top of the head of the turkey? So, sa chicken, tinatawag po itong comb. Din sa turkey, yung parang nakababa siya na instead na comb, nakababa siya. Nakalagay din siya, parang comb siya, nakalagay din siya sa head. Anong tawag niyan? Dewlap, crest, comb, snood. It is called snood. So, when removing the chicken from the cage, which end of the bird is brought out of the purse in the cage? So, if magtanggal tayo sa cage, di ba? So, ano po yung unang kukunin natin? So, it is the head, legs, wings, or body. It is always if maglabas tayo ng chicken, it is always to remove remove first the head. So, what is the skin growing between the toes and water? Skin growing toes of the waterfall called. Parang ganito. Meron silang parang plinth. Yung mga, anong tawag niyan? Primaries, crest, secondaries. Ito, primaries and secondaries. It is found in the wings of the day-old chick or ducks. So, ducklings. So, yan yung tinitingnan if male or female ba. So, ang tawag niyan is web. How many hours of day should a laying flock be provided? Ilang hours po dapat na maprovide natin sila ng daylight or artificial daylight. So, 5 hours, 19 hours, 14 hours, 30 hours. So, it is 14 hours. So, what is the most important ingredients in good poultry feeding ration? So, ano pong pinaka-importante sa lahat? Carbohydrates, protein, minerals, water. It is always the water. So, the first recovering of the chick whose major function is for isolation. Chick whose major is, tinatawag yan is drake down, poult up. Yung feather ng chick, day old chick, tinatawag yan na down. So, what part of the body should duck or geese never be caught by? So, never be caught by. So, ano? Neck, wings, leg, or beak. Wag mo, so, never mo gawin if mag-coat ka ng geese or duck. So, it is in the legs. So, these are the tiny stone aid in gizzard in grinding coarse feeds particle. So, anong tawag niyan? Bent gizzard sand grits. So, anong tawag diyan? It is called grits. Makain sila ng bato para doon sa gizzard. Para yung mga matitigas mag-grind. So, how long is the incubation period of mallard duck eggs, mallard or itik? It is an layer type of ducks. So, 21 days, 35 days, 42 days, 28 days. It is in the 28 days. What is the male turkey called? Turks, poult, drake, tom. So, ang tawag niyan is, yung male turkey is tom. What is the round tuft of feather on the top of the head of some chicken and ducks are called round tuft? So, yung parang crease dito sa, if, di ba, may parang pag-alay natin yung chicken pag may sabong, yung dito nila. So, anong tawag? Primaries, crease, secondaries, web. Web is doon po yan sa toes, sa mga water fowl. Secondaries and primaries in the feather of the day-old chick. So, ang tamang sagot dito is crease. Approximately how many dozen of egg will a leghorn hen lay per year? So, ilang dozen po yung isang white leghorn sa isang year? 12 dozen, 38 dozen, 18 dozen, 52 dozen. So, ang tamang sagot po dito is 18 dozen. 149. What is the enlarged part of the chicken gullet in which food is stored temporarily and softened for digestion? It is in dito po, parang sa may julap, dyan, dito po sa esophagus. Meron po tayong modified doon. If sa chicken, tinatawag po yan na crap. So, what is the percentage of protein should be feed on the flock for laying hens? So, laying hens is for maintenance purposes lang po yan. Pang-maintain lang, hindi po masyadong mataba, hindi masyadong mapayat. So, maintenance lang yan para mag-lay lang po siya. So, 7 to 8, wala pong 7 to 8. 24 to 27, it is in the form of starter po. Hindi po tayo nag-i-starter dito kasi tataba yung manok mo dito. C, 16 to 18, pwede po. 16 to 18. 50%, wala pong 50%. It is almost in the 24 to 27% lang po ng crude protein. So, ang tamang sagot po is 16 to 18. So number 151. So the act of laying egg in chicken is termed the act of laying egg. So ibig sabihin po nito is anong tawag? Mag-itlog po yung chicken natin. Anong tawag? Ovulation, molting, oviposition, hatching. Ang tamang sagot po dito is oviposition. Oviposition. So what is the process called in which old feather are shed and new once regrown? So, natatanggal yung mga plumage nila or feather. Anong tawag niyan? Hatching, dabbing, hatching, molting, dabbing, oviposition. So, ang tawag diyan is molting. What is the female chicken over 1 year of age? So, anong tawag? So, it is called what? Ang tawag po diyan is poultry, chicken, fowl, hen. Ang tawag yan is hen po, hen. So, what important minerals needed by hen for egg shell formation? Ano pinaka-importante pong mineral needed for hen egg shell formation? Potassium, selenium, copper, calcium. It is a calcium, letter D po. So the common chamber or receptacle for digestive, urinary, and reproductive system is called ano po? Common receptacle of digestive, urinary, and reproductive system is vent, cloaca, gizzard web. Ang tawag po dyan is cloaca. Kasi sa chicken, pinagsabay na po yung urine, digestive part at saka reproductive part. Ang tawag dyan is cloaca. In poultry reproduction, where do production of sperm and testosterone take place? So, saan po yan? Testis, ureter, epididymis, ureter, epididymis, vas deferens. It is found in the testis. Testis po, sa testis. An egg contain how many calories? Ilan po yung calories ng egg? 50, 120, 77, to 87. Ano po tamang sagot? Ang tamang sagot po is 77 calories po. 77 calories. So what is the recommended relative humidity that help eggs or hold maximum quality? So ilan recommended requirements relative humidity that help eggs hold maximum quality? So ilang percentage? 10 to 40%, 70 to 80%, 50 to 60%, 100%. So it is in the range of 70 to 80%. So hindi mababa yung humidity, hindi rin sobra yung relative humidity. So 70 to 80. So how many weeks from hatch does hatch date does it take a broiler to be ready for butchering? Pwede na po siyang kakatayin. So from nag-hatch siya, day old, papuntang butchering. So, ilang weeks po yan? So, 1 week, 9 weeks, 5 weeks, 15 weeks. Ang tamang sagot po is 9 weeks. What is wrong when chicken in a broiler handled together, piled up, and emit a loud chirp? So, ano pong tawag? This type of chick behavior. So, brother huddled together. So, naglapit-lapit sila sa isa't isa, nagpa-pile-pile sila, and emit loud chirp. It is, they are hungry, they are hot, they are thirsty, they are cold. So, it is termed as they are cold. Selecting the layer from the non-layer is the process of selection, molting, culling, incubation. So, ano po? Selecting layers from non-layers is the process called selection, molting, culling, incubation. It is called culling. Ang ibig sabihin po nito is tinatanggal na po yung mga non-layer. So, it is called culling. So, number 62. What organ that compensate the absence of teeth in the chicken? So, ito po ang nagsisilbing teeth sa digestive system ng chicken. So, ano yan? Beak, cud, gizzard, bill. It is the gizzard. Kasi doon, meron siyang mga grits or small stone para ma-break down yung mga malalaking pagkain or matitigas. Gizzard po yan. So, an egg contain how many nutrient beneficial for health? Kanina, may question, calories, 77 calories. Ngayon, how many nutrient beneficial for health? Yung egg, 13, 5, 37, 45. So, it is the correct answer is 45. A growth of skin where hangs under the rear of the beak and the upper throat. So, nandito po, so, anong tawag dyan? Julap, crease, comb, snood. It is called julap. Which organ transport urine to cloaca? So, sino po ang transport urine to cloaca? Ampulla, epididymis, ureter, the vas deferens. It is the ureter. Number 166. What is the true stomach of the chicken? True stomach of the chicken is the proventriculus. Proventriculus po ang true stomach ng chicken. Proventriculus. So, in the external opening of the cloaca where reproductive, urinary, and fecal materials exist. So, saan yan? External opening of cloaca where reproductive, urinary, and fecal material exist. So, nasa labas siya. Ang tawag niyan is bent. Do testes descend in birds? So, do testes descend in birds? The correct answer is no. Hindi po. Ano pong ibig sabihin? Descend po. Kagaya ng sa tao, nakalabas, or sa baboy, nakalabas, or sa mga mammals, nakalabas. Yung sa bird is nasa ilalim, nasa loob siya ng body cavity ng birds. So, nandito sa abdominal area. So, it is no. The testis of the bird is not descend. So, in poultry, the reproductive gametes of the female is called, in poultry, ano pong tinatawag, reproductive gametes, or yung nakikita nyo pong parang maliliit na bilog-bilog if magkatay kayo ng chicken na nangingitlog na. Ang tawag niyan is mitosis, follicle, ZX gamer. It is called follicle. Ang matured is tinatawag na Graafian follicle. What organ catches the ova when it is ovulate and location of the sperm and site of fertilization? So, saan po yan nangyayari? So, uterus, ovary, magnum, infundibulum. It is found in the infundibulum. Kasi ito, infundibulum oviduct, yan po yung, or panel, yan po yung daanan po ng egg. If ma-release siya, dun din yung site of fertilization occur. So, it found in the infundibulum. So, what is the approximate number of days for the thermoregulator mechanism of young poultry to be fully developed? So, approximate days of thermoregulation mechanism of young poultry to develop. So, ilang days po na kaya niya mag-survive na hindi na niya po kailangan ng brooding. So, at 21 days, 45 days, 35 days, 54 days. At 21 days, ito po ang tama. At 21 days, kaya na po ng young poultry na makikipag-ethermulate or yung thermoregulation mechanism yung tinatawag na kaya na mag-adapt sa environment. So what is the optimum range of temperature per Fahrenheit to be provided in young poultry during the first week of brooding? So ila pong degree Fahrenheit? So 50 Fahrenheit, 95 Fahrenheit, 75 Fahrenheit, 106 Fahrenheit. Ang tamang sagot po dito is 95 Fahrenheit. So what is the term used refers to the chicken at the early stage of their life when they have not yet fully developed under automatic heat regulator mechanism in which their body temperature assume that of the environment. So ano pong tawag niyan na theory na kahit hindi pa sila na-develop pero meron yung body nila nag-a-adapt sa temperature. So, kahit hindi pa develop yung automatic heat regulatory system ng isang chicken, pero pwede pa silang maka-adapt. So, anong tawag niyan? Poikilotherm, endothermy, hemiotherm, bradythermy. So, ang tawag po dyan is poikilotherm. What is the high body temperature chicken that result in their death? So, ang pinakamataas po na body temperature na magre-result sa heat 50 Fahrenheit, 125 Fahrenheit, 107 Fahrenheit, 25 Fahrenheit. Kasi sa chicken po, wala pong silang sweat glands. Kaya nga yung if may changes sa temperature, malaking percentage yan sa damage ng poultry chicken. So, pinakamataas na high body temperature in chicken that result in their death is 107 Fahrenheit. It is letter C. Feeding system or feed are made available at all times. Tinatawag po yan na ad libitum. So, absorbent materials as rice hull, sawdust, wood shaving, chop rice, straw, etc., flooring, ang tinatawag po yan na letter po. So what is the harmful gas that are likely to accumulate from buildup of litter and dropping if ventilation is not proper? So ano pong naproproduce kasi yung ipot or yung dumi ng chicken is mataas po nito. Carbon dioxide, ammonia, nitrous oxide, oxygen. Mataas po siya sa ammonia. The nasty habit of toe and feather picking in chicken is termed as pinipik nila po. Kaya nga sa layer, tinatanggalan po. Meron tayong debeaking program or trim beak program. So, it is a habit of toe or feather picking. Ang tawag dyan is cannibalism. The process of removing the portion of the beak of the chicken to prevent and control the feather picking. So, yun nga kanina, sinasabi ko, pinuputulan po. So, break trimming, shanking, dabbing, sleeping. Shanking, tinatanggalan ng shanks. Dabbing, tinatanggalan ng comb at saka wattle. So, ang tawag dyan is beak trimming. Tinatanggalan po siya ng beak. So, what is the surest sign of sexual maturity in chicken? Produce of hormone when it reaches to puberty, first copulate, laying of the first egg. So, in poultry, ang pinaka-sure po na nag-matured na po yung chicken is laying the first egg. The process of surgical removing of the testes of the male, ano pong tawag? Dabbing, sleeping, caponization, spaying. Ang tawag po niyan is caponization. Male chicken whose part of the testis has been left during the surgical process. So, left. So, nandyan lang siya. So, capon, cock, sleep, cockerel. Ang tawag dyan is sleep. The process of removing the ovary of the chicken. Ano pong tawag? Tinatanggalan po siya ng ovary. Sleeping, spaying, dabbing, ovulation. Ang tawag po yung tinatanggalan ng ovary po yung chicken is spaying. So the process which mature follicle burst from the follicular. So anong tawag po? Nag-burst po siya. So ovulation o genesis, oviposition, folification. So ang tamang sagot po is ovulation. A complete starter ration should be fed to the chick during the first starter. So kailan yan binibigay? Complete starter ration should be fed to chicks during the first. So, complete. So, 6 to 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 1 to 3 weeks, 12 weeks. The final answer is 6 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks. So, what is the preferred position of storing an egg? So, small and down, small and up, large and up, whatever the position. So, ang tamang sagot po is small and down. So, ito po yung egg, yung matulis is nakababa siya. Small and down. So, what egg white shell has a milder flavor than those in brown shell. So, false may be true sometimes. So, pag ganito po, modified true or false lang, wag na kayo magsagot ng maybe at sometimes hindi na yan tama. So, nandyan talaga sa 50-50 chance of winning, false or true. So, if brown egg at saka white egg, i-compare mo yung taste, same lang ba sila? So, it is true, same lang sila. Kaya ang tamang sagot dito is mag-iibaba yung lasa, tawag dyan is false. So, the longest feather of wing growing between the pimons and primaries or primons or secondaries heading the wings is fold. It is known as flight feathers. So, ang tawag dyan is flight feather, yung matataas. So, tinatawag yan na primaries, tertiaries, secondaries, wattle. It is called primaries. The hollow horny basal part of the stem of the feather, tinatawag yan na keel. Yan yung ginagamit pang sulat ni Rizal noon. So, number 190. These are long, large keel feather that has grown the first and second joint of the wing nearest to the body. These are visible when the wing is folded. It is called primaries, tertiaries, secondaries, wattle. Ang tawag dyan is nandyan, ganon siya, i-spread po nila ang wings. So, mayroong mga portion na maliliit na wings. So, ang tawag dyan is secondaries. So, the portion of foul leg between the hock exclusive for foot and toes, tinatawag na, ano pong tawag niyan? So, di ba sa chicken, meron tayong chicken feet, di ba may matutulis dyan if nag-game farm kayo. Ang tawag dyan is shanks. 192. The dependent growth at the side and base of the beak is termed as ang tamang sagot is wattle. Nandito po, side of the beak, tinatawag niyan. Kasi yung primaries at secondaries, sa wings yan, yung siyang sa feet. So, lang malapit sa beak is the wattle. So, 193. This refers to the duck which have done first to second layer year and being sold as ready to lay. So, ano yan? Refers to the duck which have been first to second layer laying year and being sold. So, anong tawag niyan? Balikbayan, balot, Pinoy, spade, chicken. Ang tawag dyan is balikbayan. An incubated egg which is fertile, removed from the incubator through candling, boiled and sold for human consumption. So, anong tawag niyan? So, fertile egg siya, binoboiled siya at binibinta. Ang tawag dyan is balot.